Now let's toss things over to meteorologist Rachael Peart for an update on this forecast. Rachael.
So the reason why we may be talking about the risk for rip currents at our beaches here is because of HENRI, hundreds of miles out into the Atlantic Ocean right now. So I have actually put our area right here at the bottom left part of your screen, but we have been dealing with rip currents because of this storm through the day, and I think even tomorrow we're still going to have some residual impacts for our beaches through the day as well. So looking at the latest track here, still expecting HENRI to strengthen as it goes into early tomorrow morning. Now the storm has strengthened because the pressure has lowered. Lower pressure means a stronger storm, but it does look like HENRI is going to possibly weaken before landfall somewhere along southern New England, some maybe Connecticut, maybe Rhode Island, possibly even Massachusetts. Does look like this track has shifted a little bit off to the east, and then the storm might slow down quite a bit, kind of lingering with that tropical moisture over parts of New England Sunday into Monday. Just another view here. You can see we're getting that rain being picked up by the radar site. So we're starting to see that counterclockwise swirl with the radar. But back here at home, radar not picking up on much of anything at all. We did have a couple of storms. We had a shower pop up in Virginia Beach, and then it popped back down very quickly. We had a storm Gloucester, Matthews County. You can see the leftovers in that last little frame there. Not much really going on across our area this evening. High temperatures for today, we got into the low to mid and even a few upper 80s in Suffolk. We got to 87, 88 in Williamsburg, with 83 Hampton, also in Melfa, 85 for Elizabeth City. Currently, looking at the eastern shore, kind of looks like daytime out there because that full moon is so bright. It was looking like the sun a little bit earlier when the moon was rising this evening. Right now in Norfolk, 75 degrees, 75 also in Hampton, 74 for Newport News, and currently out the door in Chesapeake, 73 degrees, or if you're heading back home in Chesapeake, 73 degrees. Tonight, those temps will drop back down a few degrees from where they are right now. Couple of showers still possible, otherwise partly cloudy skies. As mentioned, full moon tonight. It won't set until about 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, so you do have time to check that out if you're interested. And you know, the August full moon is also known as a seasonal blue moon, which means it's the third of 4 full moons in a season. So, little fun fact for you there. Take it to trivia night this week. It's tomorrow across the south side, 88 in Franklin, also in Smithfield, nearly 90 degrees in Virginia Beach. We do have some storm icons on there. We also have some storm icons for Newport News. 87 there, 88 for tomorrow in Hampton, 88 in Melfa and into North Carolina, 85 for KDH, 89 in Hertford tomorrow, and 87 for your Sunday in Currituck. By 8 a.m., things are going to be pretty quiet out there. So as I mentioned, that brunch forecast looking okay. We do have low chances of rain stopping it here the middle of the day. You do see a couple of isolated showers out there, and we do still have that chance heading into the afternoon and then even into the evening. Possibly some pockets of heavy rain with some storm activity, but be keeping an eye on it for you as we move through the day tomorrow, eventually clearing out late in the evening, similar to what we're seeing for this evening. Now by Monday, an isolated storm is possible. Once again, hot and humid, temperatures into the upper 80s, right around where you'd expect for this time of year. Depends on where that heavy rain sets up, which is where we're going to be seeing some of those higher totals. But generally, next 48 hours, upwards of an inch at best for most locations. 7-day forecast does show we're dealing with the warmth to heat and humidity through the next week or so. But tomorrow is the highest chance for rain that I have in the 7-day forecast. Then things go back down to about a 10 to 20% chance as we move through much of the next week.
Awesome. Thanks, Rachael.